I just bought a piece of art from someone on my weird guys doing weird support, doing it the weird way. That's supporting black businesses. So yeah, it may seem weird, but hey. T-shirt and they're made of lounge. This brother is really selling cigars. He really got a lounge. You got a card to contact, sir? If I can have one more, I'd appreciate it. Get one of my homeboy. He into the cigars for sure. Yeah, it'd be good. It's good.
And don't know it. They be like, oh, this smell good. Yeah,
Smells lovely over here, though. Good. See, we got a mobile cigar company. What's going on, brother?
how you doing, man?
All right, how y'all doing?
Doing good.
Let me get your card here.
Got it?
Yeah, we're decent candles and more. We focus on 100% soy wax candles with cotton bleach, clean scents. All of our candles are poured with love and intention. They have affirmations to go along with them. You can find us at Official Decents on Instagram and on TikTok and on Facebook. Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Y'all have a good one.
Let's get rid that one. Hey, there is a boiling one. What about that one?
So you got lower royalties here.
Then what is this one for?
Can I get your card, please?
Yes, sir.
2 of them. Appreciate it. All right, bet. Y'all have a good one. How much out of mouse pads? Thank you. See the stuff that they have. Aggie stuff, ain't playing around.